Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders, and myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about again the continuation of Camarilla reversal by using a scanner. So the charting scanners for a Camarilla pivot point. So yesterday on we are discussing about the R3 reversal. So today we are going to discuss about R4 reversal. So we are going to create a scanners and that will help us to make you the strategy. So we are going to discuss about the strategies even later. And now first of all we are going to make the scanners, how to create the scanners and what are the types of reversal which we can most reliable. So that I am going to discuss here in this video. And if any stock which reversed from R4 that I'm going to discuss here in this video. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. So let's move on to this video. So yesterday we are discussing about the R3 reversal. So the opening price, it's very important to focus for that reversal point, but we are discussing that on later. And look at this R3 and R4 reversal. That is our main key opportunities if you are following that. And let me go for this. This is one of the stock which I have taken randomly. And R4 reversal. Look at this R4 reversal which is happening on the stock at this point. So it was greater than R4. It was trading over in R4, and this particular candle. So the first of should be a greater than R4. That means half of the body and half of the body below to the R4. So maybe this point I can try to focus a bigger opportunity. So let me calculate that. So if you are making that candle as a risk, the candlesticks as a risk factor. So how much is the price? 214.9 and 214. Just about 80 paisa is the risk for this candle. So below to that candle, we can go for a sale. And this is what the result which is happening. On the same day, it came down to S4. There is a chances for moving like that. So simply what I'm going to focus for a candle must be open above the previous high. That means open above R4 and must be closed below R4. This is what my condition which I'm going to create you the scanner right now. The same one which we are used yesterday. It must be open R4 and close below R4. So if you find this kind of pattern, so maybe a reversal. So such a reversal can give you the better opportunity and so lot of potential, very small risk. We can make a bigger target. So that I'm going to focus, and today we can see how this happened. R4 breakout, and let me go to check some other random stocks. Here we are mentioning, and we tried tomorrow's Camarilla, but it was not available. But we created the mathematical formula on our charting, so that is not an issue. So we have to find out the stock must be reversed from there. I think Polycap today was watched based on the pattern R4, and even not R4. It is more than R4 or R5, I think. So look at this here. The one more opportunity just I'm talking about where I'm exactly looking for that condition. Here, but in this chart we are not going to get R5 and S5, but trading view we can get R5 and S5. So hope you understood. And this is what my conditions, what I'm going to create. So the stock is moved greater than R4 and it was a breakout. So such a good breakout which is happening above to the level and it's keep on moving higher. One point of the time it started reversal. So on the highest level it's about a bullish bearish engulfing which is forming on the top. But I don't want to focus at this point. I want to focus this point. It is closed below and greater than. Okay, so this condition, if R4 level, if you find any candle at the top level, maybe I can go below the level and it will be given me the R3, and even we can expect a S3 also. But in this case, it is nearing to that middle, then maybe the pivot level it was reaching. So such a kind of scanners only I'm going to create in this scenario, in this video. Okay, so let start the scanner. Already we created S3 R3, and now sorry, we can go to the create a scan. So already we completed the custom indicator for a Camarilla pivot. So if you are normally searching for a Camarilla pivot level, it will be not available on charting, but we can do with the custom indicator based. So I already done the custom indicator. So simply we are going to find out. So let me go to check the futures stocks. 15 minutes, we can take a 15 minutes. So 15 minutes open. Let me go to do it. The open price, and even we can add a lot more condition, but it's a simple condition. I'm just creating with the custom indicator. Must be in Camarilla R4. So those are the custom indicator which we have created. So you need to use a 1 day ago. Why? Because of we are going to backtest the today's result only. So if you are using a latest, that would be giving you next day pivot levels. Okay. So here I'm just going to for a 15 minutes, and I just copied that one, and it must be less than. Here it will not be a open and it is closed. So simple conditions we can easily filter out. So here a lost candle, and we'll save this one. Let's save the scan again with this test name. So I'll just submit it. So to get the backtest, you need to save it whether it is working right or wrong. So lot of stocks you can see, but we have to get checking that this much of stock if we get, we can't able to do the trade. So but randomly we can check around this what the time 11:15 ONGC Ambuja Cement. Let me go to check whether it is right or not wrong. Ambuja Cement. If the scanner works, then we can go for. Okay, this is what Ambuja Cements. Have you got it? 11:15. This is what my reversal which I'm expecting. The body of first candle which is closed up open above the level, great, and closes below the level R4. That is what a resistance for on Camarilla. So we find out. So maybe we can expect this much of target. So let me calculate what is the risk factor involved in this trade. So look at this from top, and this particular candle itself around 0.3%. And our stop loss, maybe I have this candle, maybe we are going to take a very small risk and making a higher profit. Let me calculate what is the risk involved in the trade. So maybe around 35.3%, and comparing to that it come down to more than 1.3%, more than four times that given you the better opportunity on those particular stock. Ambuja Cement and ONGC, the one more stock which we find out, same thing which we are going to focus. And after the trending move, so we can go to check this and look at this 11:15, but it was greater than that. Okay, so one more condition I tell you, the stock must be open in between the R3 and S3. After that it moves higher, then we are expecting the reversal. That may be a better chances to make and trend reversal stocks at the highest level as well in the lowest level. I hope you understand the stock is opened already above previous candle, and if you are looking at this point, and this is also be a reversal, and maybe 945 you can get the same stock of ONGC. So let I go to show you 27,945. Maybe at this point, yeah, you can see ONGC would be that. So what exactly we are looking for? The trend reversal candle which forms in the top of the level, and such a pattern I just want to find out. But it was a very narrow, but if I want to take, it's a huge risk. But at this point if I take, so maybe it was given us up to R3 level. So trend reversal at the top by using a Camarilla pivot reversal, that is going to work for us. And let me check randomly, and even we can add some more conditions also, but the main concept is to create this one, Federal Bank and World Task. So let me go to randomly check Federal Bank, where it is, I think 15 minutes. Here is around 9:45, and it broke in. This is what our stop loss, and it doesn't break, and it was given you such a good profit. That is R3. Maybe we are taking a risk around 30 paisa. It was given you near about 60 paisa 1:2, and then it given you some breakout after that. It was taken a support from that, and it breaks above. So over and above we keep your take. There is also be a profit chances which is given you. Okay, R3, R4. That is a R4 reversion. So I'll be going to make some opportunities even to filter out the first 15 minutes. I should be less than R3. Let me go to add one more condition. So add the same first 15 minutes high. Maybe we are going to filter out the stocks to find out it must be less than uh, R3. That I want to focus on first candle. If I filter out, we will be getting very few number of stocks, I think. You got it now. So very less number of stock comparing to the previous one. Here around 26, 26 and 27 today. Here at 9 to 45, 26 up to 26 only. So we got a 27th is the only stock around Godrej Properties. Let me go to check. Godrej Properties. What's happening? I think this is not right one. So we can improve here maybe around 145. So the high, first candle high is less than, maybe if it is less than, we can focus for a breakout if it is at this point. So we can expect for a R4. So that condition we need to improve it and let me remove this condition. So only the stock which is trading near about R4 maybe crossed above R4 and it then returned back, that should be a better opportunity. You can see how many stocks we got it, and the stock like BHEL, SAIL, Kotak Bank. So let me go to check a random stock Kotak Bank. Is there any opportunities which is given you? I think it was not updated and every time we need to change a time frame. Look at this, maybe here at this point around 10:15 it was started higher and then reversed back, and this time it was triggers your stop loss. Maybe 2 times or 3 times we can try. So that may be a better opportunity on R4 levels only. So if the stock is trading R3 and S3, so simply we can ignore it. So you can see after this it was started moving down slightly and immediately reversed. Maybe we are taken at this point entry and again this point entry. That was such a good move, and end of the day Bank Nifty also moved well. So it's a scanner which help you to find out the stock which is greater than R4 and R5. Even we have R resistance 5 also. Simply we can use for a R5. That is maybe another good opportunity. Based on that, I find out a polycap today. So if you see very few number of stocks, look at this on reversal at R5. 27, this is what a first candle. So maybe ICICI GI General Insurance, and today it performed well. And based on the option scanner, I find out the stock ICICI General Insurance, that should be the stock. So R5 will not be available here. Maybe at this point the R5. So when did we get at 9:45? Maybe at this point. This is what a candle. So maybe R5 is there. And below the level we are expecting slight 1299. It come down to. Let me go to check. So look at this. Here maybe R5 and it come down to R4. Even it is coming nearby the level. So I remove that. So finally it was boom. In the reversal we find out, and again here it's another reversal because we are expecting the trend to going down. So maybe stop loss is not triggered. At this point we can reverse. And one more stock is MGL. So let me go to check MGL. So this is what a scanner which I'm simply finding the conditions. Maybe this one 9:45. So maybe if it breaks below, so it was given you some move. And after that, if you find any other stock, I was finding a polycap one point of the time, HDFC Live at 10 a.m. Here we are not getting that R5. HDFC Live, maybe at this point 10 a.m. So from that, it was in 2 candle that was giving you such a good, and then it returned back. So that's another good opportunities. And Biocon, DLF, Bajaj Auto. So a lot of things. So I was finding DLF, which was started positive. Yesterday we find the stock by Hammer. Maybe 10:15. Yeah, 10:30, maybe at this candle. So it started below that level, and that particular stop loss is not triggered, and it keep on going. Hope you understand. This is what one more thing, which is R5 and R4. So we can see as so another test. So maybe we are created 3 scanners. One is about R3, R4, and R5 reversals. So that will help us to make some trend reversal stock at the highest level. On my next video, we are going to discuss about the support level reversal, and that may be a good opportunity. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.